Don't miss out on A2 Hosting's biggest sale of the year. The A2 Hosting Black Friday deals are now officially live. It's time to score unbeatable savings on your A2 Hosting plan. You get up to 86% off A2 Hosting, getting web hosting for as low as $175 a month. To take advantage of the A2 Hosting Black Friday deals, click the link in the description below to get your A2 Hosting Black Friday discount. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from A2 Hosting at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome A2 Hosting Black Friday discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the A2 Hosting page. You'll see the Black Friday limited time offer of up to 86% off, getting web hosting for as low as $175 a month. If you click the Compare Plans button, you'll see the savings you'll get on the different A2 Hosting services. If you click to view all plans underneath the service, next scroll down to where you see the plans listed. You get the Ignite plan for as low as $175 a month, the Accel plan for as low as $375 a month, the Turbo Velocity plan as low as $475 a month, and the Turbo Nitro plan for as low as $1375 a month. I'll choose the Ignite plan for this tutorial. You'll now be taken to the checkout page. You'll see the A2 Hosting Black Friday discount showing. If you click into the billing cycle, you can change the term. You get the greatest discount with the 36-month term. Enjoy your A2 Hosting Black Friday deal so you can save money on your A2 Hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more A2 Hosting tutorial videos.